Welcome to the historic Flour Mill Lofts. This is one of my favorite buildings in downtown. It was originally built in 1920 as a flour mill. In 1998, the historic site of the building was converted into 17 luxury residences. Then, in the early 2000s, another building was built with an additional 30 residences. Today, the Flour Mill Lofts has a total of 47 homes and is simply one of the best places to live in downtown. This kitchen is unbelievably appointed between Thermador appliances, Viking, we have a gas stove, a custom humidor for your cigars. In true loft style, we have one of the best pantries and wine cellars I've ever seen in downtown Denver. This is an entertaining dream. I really love condo living, but the reality is sometimes it's hard to get all of your friends over for a party. With this smart floor plan, you have 5 bar stools at the kitchen counter and a dining room table that will easily accommodate 8 people. This open floor plan is ideal for larger gatherings. Here we are in the raised living room, complete with a fireplace, mounted TV. This living room is wonderful for entertaining, watching movies, and reading a good book. The master bedroom is majestic. The circular shape of the bedroom reflects the actual grain that used to be stored in these silos when it was in fact a flour mill. So the master bedroom is this circular shape from the functionality of the old warehouse. The master bathroom comes complete with a Japanese soaking tub, 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, and plenty of counter space. For all your baseball enthusiasts out there, the flour mill is perfectly positioned right next to Coors Field. From this rooftop, you could enjoy the Rockies fireworks, you could walk down to 16th Street Mall, you could take a train from Union Station to the airport. The flour mill location is ideal. Or enjoy a nice picnic in the park. You have Cuernavaca Park right behind you, as well as access to the Cherry Creek and South Platte River Trail. You are also just a stoplight from entering either I-25 or I-70 for quick commuting to the mountains.